Hello, this is Gryffindor Princess Golden Owl. I hope everybody is okay and getting there. This is unboxing. I wish I could remember the name, but at the moment I can't, but I'll put it down below once I found it for you guys. I've got my big scissors. I am going to open it. Obviously I got it in the obviously it says fragile. Oh, that's the place. That's the place. I'm going to open it. Be very, very gently because obviously it says fragile. So let's open my put the name out in a minute. Owl post. Get my owl post. Packed very well. Very, very well. Very good service. Very impressed. Here we go. So that's what's inside. Another box. I like that very much. There we go. That's where it is. I think that's one of their bags as well. That was nice of them giving me a bag. I like that. That's one of their bags. Yep, it's definitely one of their bags. I love that very, very much. Can't see, I can't read it what it is, but you can see it though. Right, here we go. There we go. Here we go. Yeah, it's definitely one of their bags. I'm so impressed. Oh, it's got this bit there as well. I like that. So here we go. This what's in here is new this year. So, oh, I am so impressed. I am so impressed. Nothing else in there. I like that very much. So you can see it a bit better. You can see it, yep. Right. So that's their little booklet thing. They're saying thank you very much. I'm very impressed, guys. I like that very much. Oh, you probably can tell what that is. This is back in stock. It wasn't before, but this one's in stock. This is the new one I was telling you about. Look how good. Oh, look how good that is. So, look. To protect it, but I'm going to open this one first. Oh, it looks massive. And probably that's why it goes out of stock quite quick, because it's big. I don't know what to do. There we go, that came in that. Whoa, look at that. That is packed very well, that has. Right, let's get in here. You probably can hear it. Ding, 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 ding. go. This is a new one. This is a new butterbeer in there. And there's alcohol free, I think. If I do that, so you can see it a bit better. There you go, focus on there now. There you go. Like that. Looks nice. You've even got the date on it. I like that. Made in Britain. I like that. That's what's on the back. Inside with it, bit there of it. Gotta keep still as I can. I like that very, very much. That to one side. I like that very much. So I'm going to open this. This is new this year. It came out only a month ago, I think. I'm not 100% though, guys. I'll get into it. Here we go. Alright, this is one of the new ones. That's what it looks like. I asked for that one. Have a look inside. Oh, she got me the wrong one. Oh dear. Never mind, I still do like it. I still like it. I wanted the Gryffindor one, but I do like that. It's handmade, painted. It's hand painted. Maybe I get the Gryffindor one another time. It's got Hedwig with their letter. I don't want to get it out of it because I don't want to ruin it. But you can see the castle just there. Got good paint on it, especially used by hand. I like that very, very, very much. And you can see that's what's on the back bit. I got it when I didn't want to. There we go. Make it easier. Oh, it looks like that comes out. So you can obviously wash it, I bet. That's all around there. And it's even got the H with the broomsticks on it. Look at the back of that. That is nice. That is nice, and it's official as well. There you go. It's got that on the bottom, so you can drink from this if you want. I don't think I will. Look how close that is. Look at the wings on that. The wings. The wings on that. Hedwig. Sure that's Hedwig. I like that very much. It's quite light as well. It's got blue around there. Like a pattern around there as well. Okay. It's even got the little bit round there as well, look, Gryffindor, Slytherin, something like that. I like that very, 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 very much. So bear with me a moment. There you go, you can see it a bit more better. I knew that was going to do that, but I'll bring it a bit forward so you can see it a bit more close up. Very good. I like that very, very, very much. Okay, look straight a little bit. Just thought that might show you a little bit more close up. I like that very, very much. So subscribe, do the bell, comment down below if you would like, and maybe are you gonna get one? I can't remember how much these were. I wonder if it's got a price on there. No, it hasn't. I'm sure it was 36, I think, but that's only a guess. Okay, so subscribe, do the bell, comment down below, and subscribe. Bye.